is history-making days with the band right up to last year's Grammy-winning album, Dirt Farmer. My next guest has spent more than 5 decades making great American music. On March 5th and 6th, he'll be appearing at the Beacon Theater right here in Manhattan. Please welcome the one and only Levon Helm.
The full moon touched the cold steel lines. The railbed was frozen with ice. In the distance, an engine was keeping good time, and a steam whistle moaned just twice. Down in the cut, past the old trestle bridge, 12 fine horses stood. Masked man shivered in the cold on the ridge, not far from the Glendale wood. Well, we will burn your train to cinders, so throw it money on down. Open up your damned express car and jump down where they ground. But we won't touch that old woman. She's suffering and they claim they ain't offered no reward for Frank Jesse James. The brass lamp shone from the swaying train, and the driver saw the red light. Her iron brakes sparked like silvery rain, and the meadows screamed through the night. The baggage man peered out to look for the cause when fear froze up his heart. He was staring down the barrel of an army Colt that threatened to tear him apart. Said, we will burn your train to cinders. So throw it money on down. Open up your damn express car and jump down where they ground. But we won't touch that old woman. She's southern and they claim they ain't offered her no reward for Now some say the devil had taken his soul. Some say his spirit survived. But we all know he was nothing but a Missouri farm boy, just fighting to stay alive. High above that railroad bed, on a ridge where the pines grow tall, if you listen to the wind, there's a ghost of a chance you can still hear old Jesse call. Said we will burn your train to cinders. So throw it money on down. Open up your damn express car and jump down where they ground. But we won't touch that old woman. She's southern and they claim they ain't offered
is a treat. We're going to take a break. A special surprise from Levon Helm when we return, so stick around. Thank you so much. Real huge honor for me. Thank you very much. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Levon Helm.
I pulled into Nazareth. I was feeling about half past dead. I'm trying to find a place where I can lay my head. Mister, can you tell me where a man might find a bed? You know, he grinned and he shook my hand. No was all he said. Take a load off Granny. Take a load free. Take a load off Granny. You put the load right on me. I picked up my bag. I went looking for a place to hide. When I saw Conan and the devil walking side by side, I told her, hey, Conan, come on, let's go downtown. She told me, said, I gotta go, but my friend is sticking around. Take a load off Granny. Take a load free. Take a load off Granny. You put the load right on me. Go on down to Miss Moses. There ain't nothing you can say. You know it's my friend Luke, and Luke's a waiting on the judgment day. Tell me, Luke, my friend, what about your family? He said, but do yourself a favor, boy. Stick around and keep Annalie company. Take a load off Granny. Take a load free. Take a load off Granny. You put the load right on me. That crazy Chester followed me, and he caught me in the fall. He said, now I will fix your rack if you'll just take a